Hey, welcome back everyone to A&R Power Washing Services. Today we're on the beautiful little town of Buckeye, Arizona, but we're actually in Old Town Buckeye. And we're at Desert Laundry that's under new ownership. They're giving this place a fresh start. We cleaned up the parking lot with a full power wash, got rid of all the buildup of stains and dirt and rock, and then laid down some fresh striping. Makes this place look a lot sharper and ready for customers. You guys enjoy the transformation. All right, guys, so we're done. We just got finished cleaning up Desert Laundry, and we're here with the owner, Seth.
Hey guys, I just wanted to say thanks to A&R Power Washing Services. They came in, our parking lot was trashed. We had debris, we had leaves, we didn't have stripes. I didn't even know there were parking spots here. They came in overnight, 2 nights in a row, did a great job. They did the front, they did the side, they did down the building. The store looks incredible. Just a little bit of attention to detail makes this store pop. So I do want to say, thank you for your services.
Absolutely.
And we'll be having you back soon.
Hey,
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.